Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. Today I'm going to be actually doing another one of my hair care videos. I'm very excited about today's video because I'm going to be reviewing one of the best ranges out there, which is by L'Oreal Professional. It is called the L'Oreal Professional City Expert Absolute Repair range. Now there are three products in this range. There's a shampoo, there's a mask, and there is a leave-in serum. All of these products are so amazing. I'm going to tell you exactly why. As you guys know, I recently went through a haircut. My hair was a lot longer, बहुत लंबे थे, और अब थोड़े से छोटे हो गए. Only because I got this haircut done because the end portion of my hair was just so damaged. I go through a lot of like heating tools and styling on an everyday basis. That's just what my job requires me to do. So for me, hair care is super important. Otherwise, like I'm gonna fry my hair like in another year or two. I have to take care of my hair, so I use the best possible products, which is why I keep like switching on my products and trying new things. But every single time that I go to a salon or get my haircut done or get a hair spa done, a specific range is always used on my hair, which is this CD Expert range. I love this range. First of all, every single time that I come back from a salon, like I cannot stop touching my hair. So my salon expert actually recommended this range to me just to use it on an everyday basis, kind of make this as a part of my routine, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So the first step in my hair regime is of course the City Expert shampoo. I love this because it is so lightweight, it lathers up really nicely, and I love shampoos that can actually lather up. It makes me feel like I'm actually washing my hair, and something that can, deep cleanse my scalp. I have very oily scalp, so this one really helps. The next step is not a conditioner but actually a mask. This is called the City Expert Gold Quinoa and Protein Absolute Repair Mask. This is such a game changer. When I usually go to the salon, they add some sort of a power mix for like an instant repair, but if you want to use this on a more regular basis, this as a mask as it is great, especially if you want to get your hair deep conditioned. A normal conditioner would not work. This works fabulously for me, especially if I have an important shoot the next day, or like if I have something important the next day and I want my hair to look really nice. This is the product for me because it has gold quinoa and actually wheat protein. It is so good for damaged hair. It provides about 13 times resistance to damaged hair. This is great. The mask actually is very lightweight. You just have to apply it just a little bit. I'm going to show you the procedure of applying it. You apply it to your damp hair. You just take a little bit of product and then you apply it from the mid of your hair to the ends of your hair. Do not apply it to your scalp. Because this mask has such a potent formulation, it's super easy to apply. It actually spreads automatically to the entire hair. You just need a little bit of product. You don't even need that much. And this is the pro way to apply it. Also remember to section your hair and apply the mask very nicely, and detangle your hair while you're applying the mask. You just leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. Put it on your timer and that's it, you guys. You won't believe how beautiful your hair will look because of literally this mask. Like, it's going to actually look super beautiful, very soft. If you struggle from very tangled frizzy hair, this is the product for you, and I generally do. Like, I'm sick of my tangled hair. Sometimes mere guchhe ban jate hain, I'm not even kidding, and I have to cut them. I've done that quite a lot, and that's when I realized if I don't take care of my hair, if I don't use the right products, it's actually going to not be great for my hair. I'm going to go bald in a couple of years. Like you could see when I ran my fingers through my hair before the mask versus after the mask, there is a huge difference. Like, it was so soft, it actually detangled itself. I didn't even have to use a detangle comb, and I usually use that. It was so super simple. I think another key is when you have the mask on for 3 to 5 minutes, try to detangle your hair during that time. It really helps. The last step in this entire regime is of course my serum. Cannot do without serum, and especially for wavy / curly hair, you need a good serum. This one's really good. It is the Wheat Oil Absolute Repair Serum. I just take like a few drops of it, maybe 2 to 3 drops, run it through my hair. I actually massage it in my hair. Like, I take a few minutes to run it through my hair completely, and then I go on styling my hair. I usually you use like a blow dryer or maybe a Dyson or something, and I style my hair. So during this entire process, I've just realized that I need to use good products. Otherwise, if I keep styling my hair in the intensity and with the frequency that I usually style my hair, it's gonna get really bad very soon. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little tiny review, and I hope you guys go try out this range. If you do, let me know what you guys think about this range. If you've tried it already, let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear from you. Well, you can go follow me on Instagram also. It's just at Style Me Up with Sakshi. I post regularly there, and I can't wait to see more of you guys. I love my YouTube family always and forever. See you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye.